Picture this, you walk into a clinic, no receptionist, no bored-looking people in scrubs, just sleek white walls and a soothing voice guiding you to a machine. You tell it your symptoms, it runs some scans, and bam, diagnosis, treatment plan, the whole shebang. Sound like sci-fi? Think again, people. Welcome to the world of AI doctors, where your next checkup might be with something that looks more like an iPad than a human being. So how did we get here? Well, healthcare has been struggling, long wait times, rising costs, overworked doctors, the system is bogged down. Enter artificial intelligence, promising faster diagnoses, personalized treatment, and maybe even a cure for the common cold. Tech companies are jumping on this like a cat on a laser pointer. Why? Because healthcare is a multi-trillion-dollar industry ripe for disruption. And who doesn't love a good disruption, right? Except maybe the doctors about to be replaced by algorithms. Take Babylon Health, for example. This app uses AI to triage patients, answer medical questions, and even schedule appointments. Think of it like WebMD on steroids, but instead of freaking you out about rare diseases, it actually tries to help. There are even AI-powered imaging systems that can detect cancer cells with better accuracy than human radiologists. So yeah, the robots are coming for our stethoscopes. Okay, so AI might be good at crunching numbers and spotting tumors, but can it really replace a human doctor? This is the question that has been on everyone's mind as AI technology continues to advance at a rapid pace. A study in the Lancet Digital Health found that AI was as good as, and sometimes even better than, doctors at diagnosing certain conditions based on medical images. This is a significant finding as it suggests that AI could potentially play a major role in the future of healthcare. But hold your horses, tech bros. Before we get too excited, it's important to consider the limitations and potential drawbacks of relying on AI for medical diagnoses. The study also found that AI had a higher rate of false positives. And this means that while AI might be good at identifying potential issues, it could also lead to unnecessary anxiety and stress for patients who are incorrectly diagnosed. And let's be honest, nobody wants a robot telling them they have a life-threatening illness. The human touch, empathy, and understanding that a real doctor provides are irreplaceable when they just have a head cold. So while AI has its place in the medical field, it should be seen as a tool to assist doctors, not replace them. The future of healthcare will likely involve a combination of both human expertise and advanced AI technology. Section 5, the glitch in the system. And that's the thing about AI in healthcare. It's still early days. We're talking beta testing with people's lives here. One wrong diagnosis, one missed symptom, and it could be curtains. Then there's the issue of bias. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. And if that data is skewed, which it often is, guess what? You get biased algorithms making life or death decisions. Not exactly comforting, right? Section 6, where's the empathy chip? But let's say we iron out all the kinks and create a perfectly objective, error-free AI doctor. Will it be enough? Sure, it can diagnose with precision, predict outcomes with incredible accuracy, and even suggest the best possible treatments. But is that all we need in healthcare? Because here's the thing, technology can't replicate, at least not yet, human connection, the empathy, the understanding, the warmth that comes from a genuine human interaction. It's the ability to sense unspoken fears, to offer a comforting touch, and to provide reassurance in moments of uncertainty. The ability to look you in the eye and say, hey, this sucks, but we're in this together. That's something only another human being can provide. It's the shared experience of vulnerability and the mutual understanding that makes a difference. That's something only another human being can provide. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, the human touch remains irreplaceable. It's the essence of what makes us feel cared for and understood. And it's something we desperately need, especially when we're sick and vulnerable. In those moments, a kind word, a gentle touch, and a compassionate presence can be as healing as any medication or treatment. So, while we strive for technological perfection, let's not forget the irreplaceable value of human empathy in healthcare. Section 7, paging doctor, AI to the ER. Now, I'm not saying AI has no place in healthcare. In fact, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach medical treatment and patient care. From diagnostics to personalized treatment plans, AI can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than any human ever could. Imagine AI-powered robots assisting in surgeries, providing precision and consistency that can significantly reduce the risk of human error. These robots can handle repetitive tasks with ease, freeing up human surgeons to focus on the really complex stuff. This collaboration between human expertise and machine efficiency could lead to better outcomes for patients, or AI systems monitoring patients in the ICU, constantly analyzing vital signs and other critical data, alerting nurses to potential problems before they become emergencies. This proactive approach can save lives by catching issues early and allowing for timely intervention. But we need to be careful about handing over the keys to the entire healthcare system to algorithms. While AI can assist and augment human capabilities, it should not replace the critical thinking and empathy that healthcare professionals bring to the table. Because once we lose that human touch, the personal connection that is so vital in healing, once healthcare becomes all about efficiency and optimization, we risk creating a system that is cold and impersonal. We risk losing something far more important, our humanity. It's crucial to strike a balance where technology enhances care without overshadowing the human element that makes healthcare truly compassionate and effective. Section 8, the high cost of convenience. So yeah, maybe waiting a few extra minutes to see a doctor who actually listens to you isn't the worst thing in the world. Maybe a little human connection is worth more than a slightly faster diagnosis. After all, we're not just talking about treating diseases here. We're talking about caring for human beings. And that's something no algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, can ever truly replace. Section 9, ever feel like a number? So tell me, have you ever felt like just another cog in the healthcare machine? Share your stories, people. Because in a world increasingly dominated by technology, it's more important than ever to remember what it means to be human.